Get away from the vehicle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nick, where do I get one of these alarms?
You want one of these alarms, Rocky? You're gonna have to get out there and take it yourself.
I'll do it.
Hello? 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 Oh, my. I don't wanna, I don't wanna, I don't wanna, told you I don't wanna, I don't wanna, I don't wanna.
I'll push you yourself. I'll punch your legs off. I'll punch your legs off.